What is up everyone, this is Ken here. Welcome back again to TechCurrent YouTube channel. Maybe you've heard about the launcher and yes, it's updated now. It's already updated for Android version 11, but the new updated version where you get 11.0 Alpha 6.1 is also there, and I'm going to tell you that you can install it from Magisk Manager. We've already installed it. Comes with very interesting customizations. As you can see, it has some general customizations where you can customize the icon pack, you can customize the theme, notification dots related customizations are already present here. If you want to customize the home screen related things, yes, you have the option of scrolling wallpapers, double tap to sleep. If you want to enable these options, feed, at a glance widgets, you can customize the grid, you can customize the icons. Launcher is one of the famous launchers out there, and a custom launcher which you can install on a device. Just don't ask me about MIUI. I never use these custom launchers on me right now. It just lacks for gestures. If you want to use gestures, don't use these launchers, and if you can survive without gestures, just go and definitely install this. We have hit app related customizations, fuzzy search, grid, icons. A lot of customizations are present here, and yes, they are updating it. So maybe in upcoming versions we get very interesting customizations, maybe more than every other custom launcher out there. We have many other extra options already present for you. Pixelated launcher is one of those. OnePlus launcher you can also install on a device if you want to. Folder related customizations, as you just saw, Recents also has some bit of customizations for you. Custom screen corner radius and clear all button at bottom. These are some interesting customizations you get here, and if you want to install it, how you can install this launcher on your device. It has two options. If you are non-rooted and you just want to install in other devices, and if you use navigation bar buttons, you can install it as a simple APK file. But if you are rooted and you want to use the full screen gestures and using Android 10, Android 11, then you need to try out a Magisk module. I'm using the Magisk version 23 here. Maybe you're using any other version, but right now Magisk 23. While making this video, this one is the latest version, and maybe you can also use the latest version because it's always recommended. I'm using Magisk version 23 here, and how to install this, move on here. You can see Systemless Launcher is what we have installed it on our device, and this is the thing you need to install. You simply need to click on install from storage, as you can see at top corner, or you can see top header, and simply need to click here, select the file, and you are good to go. Very simple things. Install this, reboot your device, and you're good to go. Very simple things. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.